Hello there! If you want to add something strange to the previous lesson, lesson number 2, here's something. And I promise you, this is not a bomb. This doesn't even look like a bomb. It's not a bomb. This is a bomb. This is not a bomb. I promise you. Anyway, that's a matrix of switches, and if I press this one, bang. Oh, maybe I should turn off the light. Like, bang, bang, bang. And here, work. Yeah. Did I? Oops. I don't care about that enough. So, here you go. I will get you the code, but it's boring. So, it will be down there, but whatever. See you soon.